The book calls to do this over charcoal. So it says to burn the eggplants and to cook the shallots and garlic over fire. That would obviously be much better. But given the circumstances today of the wind here and the beautiful cherry blossom, I don't really feel like lighting a grill to grill this amount of stuff. And I know you're gonna be able to get great flavor from this. So the true secret to making this taste extra delicious is to pound it on the ground. That's the only way to do it. I am peeling off some of the eggplant outside, some of the burnt bits. Beautiful shallots. Beautiful. The interesting thing about this paste is it's already a relish. It's essentially an namprik, which is an eggplant style relish where you have eggplants, shallots, garlic, chilies. You probably would want to increase the chilies. I might even increase the chilies here. No, just a light bite. You should definitely eat this with sticky rice. It is Lao food after all, but we're just gonna put a little in this leaf here. This dish rocks. I knew this dish was awesome. About 2 years ago, I was messing around with it. Haven't made it since, but had banana blossom and was thinking about it today. So this is what I had to do. When you get a craving, you just gotta make it.